Hello and welcome to my channel. This stitch, it's called the bubble stitch. It's very nice. It's, well, easy in a way. So you can make pillow covers, you can do, I don't know, scarves, I don't think so, unless you do an infinity scarf. Hats, you can do blankets, bags. This is the back and this is the front. I did a small sample for you guys to see with a thin yarn. Well, it's a pain in the neck to work with this stitch with thin yarn, but you can give it a try. So this stitch works with multiples of 4 plus 3 more. So I chain my multiples of 4. So now I'm gonna chain 3 more. So now we're gonna skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain we're gonna do a double crochet. And from now on, in each chain, we're gonna do double crochet. So move to the next chain and do a double crochet. And in all chains, we're gonna do double crochets. But it's a very easy stitch. It appears to be like 2 rows repeat, but in the middle of the work is the same. It doesn't change. It's just in the beginning and the end of the row might I would say it will be different, not the same. It's like 2 rows, well, 3 rows repeat in a way, because in some rows you're gonna start with 2 single crochets and we're gonna finish with 2 single crochets, and some other row you're gonna have 4 single crochets in the beginning and 4 single crochets at the end. Yeah, I think a pillow cover will look nice if you have the patience to finish. Well, it goes fast if you work with thick yarn. With thin yarn, good luck. Well, if you have patience. I don't have patience. I did a pillowcase and I did only the front, and when I reached the back I said, yeah, well, forget it, I'm gonna do only double crochets and that's it. So if you have patience, do it. Okay, now we did the double crochets, the first row. Now we're gonna chain 1. You're always gonna chain 1 at the end. And now we're gonna do the first stitch. It's here. We're gonna go in there and gonna do a single crochet. We're gonna move to the next stitch and I'm gonna do a single crochet. So this row is gonna be with 2 single crochet in the beginning and 2 single crochet at the end. So yarn over the hook, the next stitch we're gonna move, we're gonna do a 5 double crochet in that stitch, but we're not gonna finish the double crochet. So you go in there, pull up a loop, do a double crochet and leave the loop like that, yarn over the hook, go back again into the same stitch and do the second double crochet, leave the loop like that, and we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do 3 more. You should always have 6 loops on your hook, yeah, 2, 4, 6. Grab the yarn and pull the yarn through all these 6 loops. Give it a tug a little bit to kind of secure that, you know, the bubble. And then in the next 3 stitches we're gonna do single crochet. So we're gonna move to the next stitch and we're gonna do a single crochet, and single crochet. So it's gonna be a bubble and then 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Yeah. So you're gonna do the second single crochet and the third, and then we're gonna move to do the bubble. So again, yarn over the hook, move to the next stitch, and we're gonna do 5 double crochets in that stitch without finishing the double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You should always have 6 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn and pull the yarn through all 6 loops. Give her a tug a little bit. And then we're gonna do 3 single crochets in the next, well, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So move to the next stitch, do a single crochet, move to the next stitch and do a single crochet, next stitch, single crochet. Okay, yarn over the hook, and now the next stitch we're gonna do the bubble. 5 double crochets in that stitch without finishing the double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull the yarn through all 6 loops, and then we're gonna do single crochets. So the next stitch it's single crochet, the next stitch it's single crochet, and the third stitch it's single crochet. Yeah. So now we're gonna move to this stitch, the next stitch, and we're gonna do a bubble. Yarn over the hook. We're gonna do 5 double crochets in that stitch. One more. You should always check to make sure that you have 6 loops. Grab the yarn and pull the yarn through all 6 loops. Give her a tug a little bit. Then we have the last stitch here, so we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet, and then we have this chain here. So go on top of the third chain, because we skipped in the beginning 3. Yeah, so go in there on top of the third chain and do a single crochet. Oh, it's gonna be like that. Okay, now chain 1, and now you're gonna alternate 1 row doing bubbles and 1 row doing single crochet in each stitch. So the first stitch it's here, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet. The next stitch is here, we're gonna do a single crochet, and the stitch it's on top of the bubble, this one. So we go in there and we're gonna do single crochets. So we're gonna do single crochets until we finish the row. You're gonna have to be careful with this one, because it's so tight in there that you might miss it. You're gonna skip directly to this one, to the bubble. So make sure that you get this one too, yeah, right there. Sometimes you're gonna miss it. Okay, so we're gonna do single crochets. And you know, after we do this single crochet row, the next row that we have to do the bubbles, it's gonna be with the 4 single crochets in the beginning. So we're gonna kind of alternate, you know. So some rows you're gonna start with 2 single crochet, finish with 2 single crochets, and some rows to do the bubbles, we're gonna do 4 single crochets in the beginning and the end, you know. And the last stitch it's here, go in there, do a single crochet, chain 1, and now we're gonna, because if you look, you're gonna have the bubbles kind of not on top of each other, yeah, they're gonna be like this, the bubbles. So let's do this. So now this row we're gonna do 4 single crochets. So in 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches, go into the first stitch, do a single crochet, move to the next stitch, do a single crochet, next stitch, third, and the fourth we're gonna do single crochet, and now we have to do the bubble, which is gonna be right in between these 2, yeah. So yarn over the hook, move to the next stitch, and let's do the bubble. So 5 double crochets in there without finishing them. So 1, 2, 4, and 5. You have 6 loops. Grab the yarn, pull the yarn through all 6 loops, give it a tug, and now we're gonna have to do 3 stitches. So go to the next stitch, do a single crochet, move to the next stitch, do a single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, 3 single crochets between the bubbles. That's why it's multiples of 4. So the next stitch we're gonna do a bubble, 5 double crochets in that stitch without finishing the double crochet. One more. Yeah, check always 6 loops to have on your hook, and then pull the yarn through the 6 loops, give her a tug, little bit, and now we're gonna do 3 single crochets in the next 3 stitches. So 1 single crochet, move to the next stitch, do a single crochet, move to the next stitch, do a single crochet, and now again we're gonna do the bubble. The next stitch we're gonna do the bubble. 5 double crochets without finishing them, yeah, leave the loop there. 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6 loops, grab the yarn, pull the yarn through all 6 loops, give her a tug a little bit, move to the next, and we're gonna do 4 double crochet, single crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, because we started with 4 single crochets, yeah. So the next row, after you do the single crochet row, you're gonna start with 2 single crochet in the beginning, and you're gonna finish with 2 single crochets. It looks like this. You see the bubbles are not on top of each other. So now always chain 1, and now we're gonna do the row with a single crochet. So each time you're gonna have to do the row with single crochets, you're gonna have the bubbles facing you. When you do the bubbles, you're gonna have this part, yeah. So now you have to do the single crochet. I'm gonna do this row and the next one, and don't forget this one here, because it's so easy to miss the tiny one in there. It's very easy, it's very, well, relaxing in a way, but, well, when you have to work this with the thin yarn, oh man, it's like when God give to people patience, either I was last in line, or when my turn came, God said, whoopsie daisies, Natty, you don't have anymore, so you're gonna have to learn the hard way. So yeah, when it comes for patience, nope. Okay, so again, you're gonna chain 1, and I'm gonna do this row with you, and then I will stop. So now you're gonna do the bubble. Each time you do the bubble, you're always gonna face this part. The back is gonna be facing you. So again, we're gonna, because you see, you have to do 2 singles crochet, 1, 2, and the third is gonna be right here. Yeah. So sometimes you're not gonna know, you know, you're gonna forget. So the first stitch we're gonna do 1 single crochet, the next one single crochet, and then the third stitch we're gonna do a bubble. 5 double crochets in there without finishing them. It's not difficult. You can always look, if you get confused, you can look back, yeah. 3 and 2 more. Stop curling up on me. Yeah, I'm telling you, you're going 6 loops, grab the yarn, pull the yarn through the 6 loops, give it a tug a little bit, and then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1 single crochet, second single crochet, and the third single crochet, and now we're gonna do a bubble. So do 5 double crochets in that stitch without finishing the double crochet. Okay, 1 more. Always check to see if you have 6 loops. Yeah, grab the yarn, pull the yarn through all 6 loops, give her a tug a little bit, and then we're gonna do the 3 single crochet in the next. So next move, do a single crochet, you move next stitch, you do a single crochet, and the third single crochet, and now again we're gonna do the bubble. It's very easy, it's very easy. So 5 double crochets in that stitch, and don't finish the double crochet. Okay, 1 more. Okay, 6 loops, grab the yarn through the all 6 loops, give it a tug, and then do a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Okay, and now again we're gonna do a bubble. in the next stitch. Okay, one more. Okay, pull the yarn through all 6 loops, give her a tug, and because we started the row with 2 single crochet, we're going to finish with the 2 single crochet. So we have 2 stitches left. Go into the next stitch, do a single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, chain 1, and now you're going to do the single crochet in each stitch across the row. Don't forget about this tiny one here because it's hidden, yeah. And then the next row, after you do the single crochet, the next row, of course, you're going to chain 1, and that is going to be with 4 single crochets, yeah. In the beginning, 4 single crochet, and you're going to finish with 4 single crochets. So well, it looks like this. It's really cute, it's really nice, but make sure that you don't skip that single crochet close to the bubble, and make sure that you have 5 you do 5 double crochets, and it looks nice. It has an edge for a blanket, and you know, but this is you know, it's nice to make a, I don't know, a blouse. I don't think so, with these bumpy things. Maybe give it a try, but it's really nice, this this stitch. So give it a try and have fun with it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.